Have you ever asked Google a question and felt your memory quietly shrink? Not because you lost a fact, but because you forgot how to reach the fact. Welcome to the AI-Generated Amnesia Effect, a new kind of forgetting where we outsource not only answers, but the very process of thinking. It seems that AI rewires your brain. I'll demonstrate the AI amnesia effect to you quickly. We increasingly offload thinking, complex problem solving, and creative processes entirely to artificial intelligence systems. This is not nostalgia for hard study. It's a structural shift in cognition. We're swapping mental muscles for instant outputs. The risk is subtle. When machines do the thinking for us, our brains stop practicing the moves that make thinking possible, framing a question, evaluating evidence, connecting disparate ideas. Our brains lose muscle memory for cognitive functions that we rely on daily. Step into any workplace or classroom. A team asks an AI for options, skim reads the top result, and acts. Students submit essays heavily scaffolded by prompts. Leaders accept AI summaries without the messy work of debate. The outcome: faster decisions, smoother workflows, and a flattening of intellectual habits. We still have answers. We no longer own the argumentative arc that produced them. We remember AI answers, but the intricate reasoning behind the solutions fades quickly from memory. We have always offloaded calendars, calculators, libraries. The difference now is meta-offloading. We don't just store facts externally, we outsource thinking routines. Hypothesis generation, deliberate doubt, heuristics that once lived in the brain. The result is not ignorance, but an amnesia about the craft of thinking, how to ask a good question, how to triangulate sources, how to be skeptical without cynicism. This growing reliance on AI diminishes our inherent capacity for independent thought and problem solving. Individually, weaken judgment, brittle creativity, and an inability to learn from failure. Socially, fragile communities of practice where expertise evaporates into curated outputs. Politically, a dangerous deference to algorithmic authority. If citizens stop knowing how to interrogate evidence, power consolidates not because people are dumb, but because they forget they can disagree well. This is the AI-generated amnesia effect, representing a subtle shift in our minds. Yes, AI amplifies capability. It speeds research, widens access, and democratizes tools once confined to experts. The amnesia is not inevitable. It is a policy and pedagogy problem made visible by convenience. Train thinking as a skill. Short daily drills, frame plus evidence plus counter-argument. 2 minutes. Hero's journal. Log how you searched, why you trusted sources, and what you rejected. Build a provenance habit. AI-as-sparring-partner. Force the tool to argue the opposite of your view. Require a critique before you accept output. Institutional constraints. Make key decisions require a human explanation of process, not just a citation. Embed rubrics that reward reasoning steps, not final polish. Have you personally felt your mind glitch? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If we care about wisdom, not just speed, we must change the habits of how we use AI. Tonight, try one rule. For any answer you get from an AI, write down the question you should have asked. Share it below. Which thinking move did you forget? Let's make this the beginning of collective memory, not collective amnesia. The future won't be AI or human, it will be AI plus practiced minds. Don't let convenience steal your craft. Reclaim it.